Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, brothers and sisters. Hope you're doing well. So, today I'm going to be talking about an act of worship that Allah loves so much. This action is so simple, you can do it anywhere, at any time, and any amount. There is no wudhu needed. It is so rewarding. So, let's see what it is through this hadith. Abu Darda reported, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "Shall I not tell you of the best of your deeds, which is the purest to your king, which raises you among any ranks, which is better for you than spending gold and money in charity, and which is better for you than meeting your enemy and striking the necks of each other?" They said, "Of course." The Prophet ﷺ said, "It is the remembrance of Allah Almighty." So my dear brothers and sisters, let's all increase doing this ibadat. May Allah make us from the people who remember Him abundantly. Ameen. If you found this video informative, then do like, share and subscribe. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz and Assalamualaikum.